right. So one of the biggest questions is when you downsize, do you lose your independence?
Nobody wants to do that. Everybody wants to feel they keep their circle of friends
Mm,
and they're able to actually increase that circle.
yep. So when I downsized, um, I did it because where my old house was, it wasn't convenient to my social life. And, so now I have amazing social life with an amazing group of friends, more independence because I'm not tied to a house. And I didn't go to assisted living. Yeah, no.
Don't think we're there yet.
But if you want to, there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, some of these places look pretty cool. And I didn't go to an over 55 community, which again, I see some of those and they look really cool, especially when you see people walking down the street with their little um, wagon and they have coolers in there and they say they're going to book club. They're not. There's no books in that cart. But bless their heart, they can call it whatever they want to call it. Um, so, David, seriously, have you thought about when you downsize? Do you want to stay exactly where your townhouse is? Do you want to move closer to your kids? Do you want to move closer to where you play? Do you want to be closer to your office?
Well, for me, I want to go ahead and I want to be closer to my friends
Mm,
and, not have to spend as much time in a car going from point A to point B to have some fun and then
mhm,
going from B back to A to get
yeah,
home at night. So,
yeah.
looking for a little bit of everything there.
And I love just picking up my phone and calling a random stranger through this cool app called Uber. And they show up at my door and I confirm it's the right one, so I'm not getting kidnapped. And then they take me where I want to go and then they come back and pick me up. So I don't have to worry about where I park my car.
It's perfect.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
And, but it's also safe for being a single girl. So,
Well, that I'm always thankful for. Being a guy, I have a little bit more
mm,
size. It scares
eh,
people away, but I still want the ability to be close to friends
mm,
and still have the entertainment factor that I
mm,
once had that was slightly different, with a family.
yeah. And being 5'7", unless I'm wearing stilettos, there's nothing vicious about me. Sorry. I can run, but you're probably going to catch me. So, but think about it. And like I said, when you downsize, I got to tell you, for me, I gained independence. I gained more social time. I gained a better balance of life, which is hard in this business to begin with.
Mm-hmm.
Um, but there are so many more positives to what I did than the negatives. And I still have plenty of room in my house for my kids to come home to. Yeah.
Perfect.
So, all right, stay tuned for the next one. We're gonna tackle when's the best time. Wait and see what we come up with on that one.